Advocate Mpofu condemns harassment of drivers of broken-down vehicles near State House. The 15th of September 2025, by Lovemore Vertical Bar General. Prominent constitutional lawyer advocate Thabani Mpofu has strongly condemned the harassment of motorists whose vehicles break down near State House in Harare, accusing soldiers of unlawfully mistreating innocent citizens. His intervention comes after a video circulated on social media in September 2025, showing a truck that had stalled close to the State House perimeter. Eyewitnesses said the stranded crew was ordered by armed soldiers to push the vehicle away from the restricted zone despite obvious mechanical failure. Pattern of incidents. The September case was not isolated. In August 2025, a Harare commuter omnibus reportedly lost control and crashed into the State House wall. Passengers, most of them uninvolved in the mishap, were rounded up by security personnel and subjected to lengthy questioning. Such incidents have sparked outrage among residents who argue that state security forces are turning mechanical misfortune into criminal suspicion. Mpofu's legal stand. Posting on X, formerly Twitter, advocate Mpofu denounced the practice, stressing that the law does not authorize harassment simply because a vehicle stalls near a sensitive location. He added that punishing people for bad luck violated basic rights, unless there are credible reasons to suspect they intend to damage the granite wall. They are entitled to respect. Under the law, every restraint on liberty is prima facie unlawful and must be justified. That principle is not location-dependent and must be upheld at all times. Broader implications. Legal analysts say Mpofu's remarks go beyond the specific cases and strike at the heart of Zimbabwe's constitutional order, where citizens' rights often clash with heavy-handed state security practices. A Harare-based analyst noted, security around State House is understandable, but there has to be a balance. Soldiers cannot treat every accident or breakdown as an act of subversion. It erodes public trust.